Alright, questions 9 through 16 ask you to calculate for the missing side. It's going to be a little bit different than the previous section where you were solving for an angle. There's a little bit more algebra involved here. So just like before, always start with labeling your sides. My personal preference is starting with the hypotenuse because it's always straight across from that right angle. So I've got the hypotenuse here. Opposite is straight across from the angle I'm given. In this case, I'm going to use 37 as my reference angle since I already know its value. I've got opposite here, and the last side I've got left is the adjacent. So I look, and I have no idea what the opposite is, but I'm not even asked for it. All I'm asked for is the hypotenuse. I'm given the adjacent, and I'm given an angle. So I'm working with the adjacent, the hypotenuse. That means I'm working with cosine. In this particular case, I'm going to fill it out with all my variables. So cos instead of theta now, I know it's 37 degrees. My adjacent is 11, and the hypotenuse is represented with x. The goal is to isolate your variable. So I want to end up with the statement x equals. This means I need the x out of the denominator. Since I'm currently dividing by x, I need to cancel it out by multiplying. X divided by x is just 1. That's what canceling out is. That's its definition. But in order to multiply by x on one side, I have to do it on both. But x is not alone yet. It's still attached to and multiplying by cos of 37 degrees. And 11 is left on the right-hand side of that equal sign. So I'm multiplying by cos of 37. I need to move it. How I move it is I need it to cancel out with itself, which means dividing by cos of 37 degrees on both sides. Again, anything divided by itself is 1. 1 times x is x, so that's why canceling works. And I punch in the remainder of this on my calculator. Again, how you do that depends on the type of calculator you have, so make sure you're figuring out what exactly that looks like for you. My answer gives me 13.77, which I'll round up to 13.8. There's no units of measurement attached to my 11 here, so I don't need units attached to my hypotenuse solution either. And that's how we calculate for sides.